I'm Chris Ohato, Director of Physical Therapy at MAPS. We hear a lot of questions from patients about why their pain increases according to weather changes. And we like to educate them about the fact that when patients have joint problems, whether it's arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, or osteoarthritis, or perhaps degenerative joint disease or degenerative disc disease, those sorts of pain problems definitely are affected by weather. The joint capsule is an enclosed structure, and it's affected by barometric pressure outside and atmospheric pressure changes. So people with joint problems will feel changes in their pain, could be increases or decreases in their pain according to what's happening outside with the barometric pressure and the atmospheric pressure. We encourage patients in figuring out how to cope with those pain fluctuations due to the weather to really try and focus on gentle movement. So gentle stretching, gentle range of motion when you're having weather-associated pain increases is helpful, because that sort of movement or exercise encourages the synovial fluid, or what you think of as the lubrication within a joint, to be more effective and help with more pain-free mobility for patients. When we're thinking about patients with arthritis or joint problems, they often are more comfortable in a drier climate such as Arizona. And if they go down to Florida, even though they're escaping the cold of the winter, the humidity and the changes in the barometric pressure in Florida are sometimes aggravating to their pain. The other weather factor that can affect pain levels is cold. So a lot of patients with chronic pain will report to us that they feel better in the summer and worse in the winter. And that, of course, has a lot to do with muscle spasm and muscle tightness in response to being cold. So again, as much as you can think about stretching to keep muscles loose, think about wearing the right sort of clothing out of doors so that you're not having strong January breezes going down your coat, for instance. You'll manage those sorts of weather pain irritations more effectively. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you can take into consideration some of these suggestions when you're thinking about what your plans are and the weather out of doors as it relates to your pain level.